campaign period for 2022, one camp, maybe composed of a 3-person delegation, met with the owners or owner of Smartmatic.
There is a pending disqualification case against Smartmatic from bidding in any other COMELEC exercise.
Pwedeng imbestigar ko. Kung natalo, useless na hindi siguro. Pero meaning ba?
Ito, last question na lang. There have been allegations, Mr. Chairman, that a certain camp of a certain candidate met with the owner of Smartmatic during the election period of 2022.
Yeah, that's
Okay. Has this report reached the COMELEC, and does the COMELEC investigated this report?
Yes, the COMELEC is saying that there is a pending disqualification case against Smartmatic from bidding in any other COMELEC exercise, and they're keen to investigate the allegations during that opportunity.
And that petition is based on that allegation.
Among others, I think the allegation is other illegal practices and so on. I believe that it also includes the allegations and charges against former COMELEC chairman Andy Bautista. And that all comprise part and parcel of the disqualification case against Smartmatic.
Okay, but I go back to the allegation. Regarding that very specific allegation, campaign period for 2022, one camp, maybe composed of a 3-person delegation, met with the owners or owner of Smartmatic here in the Philippines. Has COMELEC motu proprio investigated such allegation?
Yes, I believe that the report was also studied by the COMELEC, and they initiated an investigation, the results of which have not yet been issued.
So I cannot ask you whether it is a matter of fact.
Wala pang resulta.
May I,
Inaalam pa lang nila.
Minority Leader, may I ask, was it a winning camp or a losing camp? Did they win or did they lose?
Nasa dyaryo,
Sa
SP.
dyaryo. Kasi kung winning yan, pwedeng imbestigar. Pero kung natalo, useless naman yung winning siguro. Pero
No,
winning ba?
I think siguro, yun na, I think COMELEC, kung tayo kasi nakaupo sa COMELEC, if our supplier who practically run the election, inadmit, Mr. President, na halos na delegate sa Smartmatic ang ano eh, and the owner is meeting with interested parties, candidates, camps, medyo bawal dapat yun. I mean. So how soon can the COMELEC get to the bottom of this allegation? Fact muna. Huwag na tayong, kahit hindi, huwag nyo na sabihin sa amin anong pinag-usapan. Fact muna, did they meet? Did they meet or not?
Yes, I think before the end of December, there should be a result or a finding by the 12-man investigative panel that's been constituted by the chairman to look into all these different allegations, both of 2022 as well as other elections.
Sige, pero sana don't make it open-ended by assigning to the 12-man committee so many things to investigate. Kahit yun munang tanong na yun, if it really happened as a matter of fact. Yan lang naman ang tanong. Kasi kung
So there are two opportunities to look into that. One is the Smartmatic DQ and Chairman Bautista incident, and in addition, the 12-man panel. So we hope to get to the bottom of this at the earliest possible time.
Meron bang CIF ang COMELEC?
Wala.
From your information, did the owner of Smartmatic visit the Philippines in year 2022?
They have no information on hand as of the moment.
Do you know the name of the owner of Smartmatic? Pati yan din lalo.
Ha?
Kaya sagot nila din.
Ang laging pinapangalan yung Cesar Flores, but we are not aware of the corporate structure, the sister companies,
know,
and the
Comelec.
overall organization.
Your main partner in running the elections, you do not even know the personalities behind that.
Ang record lagi, Cesar Flores yata ang lumilitaw sa mga nag-a-apply sa COMELEC.
And sige, from the knowledge of COMELEC, what is the position of Cesar Flores?
He was the president as of the records of COMELEC. Siya yung presidente ng Smartmatic kapag nag-a-apply dito sa
President
Pilipinas.
of the locally incorporated Smartmatic entity.
Yes, the joint venture here in the Philippines.
Okay. Pero kasing yung mother yata, I think the allegation is that the owner of the mother company of Smartmatic Philippines was the one who visited here and met with the camp of a candidate, an interested party. So, yun lang po yun. I hope the COMELEC can also be interested in finding out the truth.